So a whole bunch of you guys have been asking me how bad the beach looks in Pattaya. Well, we're gonna walk around a little ways and I'm gonna show you just what the rain did. In certain places it's pretty bad. Some places it's not quite so bad. But nevertheless, still tore it up pretty good. You can see where they've been out here with tractors and other equipment already pushing holes back in, but I'll kind of give you a peek. And we'll start at the northern end and work our way down. This is the part where you can see they've already come out and filled in some of the holes that were here yesterday. This was 2 big trenches that ran out into the beach. You can see, because it's still partially low tide out here, you can see how the shelf just kind of broke off in certain places. Like this right here is not good. This is not good. Yeah, a lot of shelf damage here on the northern part anyway. And you can see it goes on down down the beach to the swimming area, to where the boats are. And you can see again as we come up here on the tracks where they filled in these 2 trenches that were out here yesterday. I'm gonna walk down a little bit, show you guys a little bit more of the beach itself. I mean, the beach, the people that are on the beach don't seem to have much of a problem with it, but it really got ugly in a few places, and I'm going to try to show you those places if at all possible. And while you're looking at the sand is just, I mean, walking on the sand is horrible right now. It's it doesn't even feel like sand, it feels like clay, to be honest with you. So I really hate it for the city of Pattaya, because they tried so hard and worked so long on this. It's really sad. But you can see here where see the tracks where they've been out with the dozers filling in the trenches that were made by the rain. And you can see all the tracks over here. Still some of the trenches are there. This was sunk in probably a couple feet yesterday. And you can still see out here where it's running. We're in northern Pattaya, or on northern Pattaya part of the beach. You can see the trench still, what remains of it here, and what they kind of filled in a little bit. It's just not a good look. And then the shelf drop off is horrible. Again, it's not clean like it was. It's just not good. So we really hope that they get everything fixed and get things back on track here for the sake of the city and for the sake of the vacationers. I don't think it's quite as bad as people said it was. You know, people said the beach washed away and that kind of thing. I don't think it washed away, but there are definitely some issues with it. They've been filling in most of it. You can see over here, this is an example of what the vast majority of the beach looks like. You see the trench right there that was created by the rain. That's what it looked like before they started filling it in. I assume they did it this morning. You can see here at this point where, again, it's been kind of packed in a little bit, but the drainage, whatever kind of drainage they tried to put in here didn't work, if they even put any at all. I mean, just look at that. Just not a good look, man. Just not a good look. And I hate it, again, for the city of Pattaya, because they spend a lot of time and resources trying to get this thing fixed up, and looks like it just didn't happen. So, oh well. This is the beach at Pattaya. So here comes the beach, guys, and you will be able to see a big difference. This is sand doesn't feel right again. You can see where they've been out here trying to fill it in. Just look at I don't know what happened with the drainage system on this beach. I really don't. I don't understand it. Not really sure. This is not my area of expertise, but you can see that, you know, I mean, it's torn up, and it's like that way down there too. I don't know if you can see it, but it's at the southern end. There's another section like this, and you can look here and just see that basically all the water ran off of Beach Road and just destroyed the beach. And it's really sad, guys. Really, really sad. Like I said before, the City of Pattaya, they did a great job trying to fix all this up and make it pretty and everything, and it just kind of washed away. I really hate it for them, and even more importantly, I hate it for the people that came on vacation that wanted to hang out on the beach in these areas, because it's pretty rough. So that's it, guys. That is the current situation on Pattaya Beach as of April the 6th, 2019.